Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to route or navigate from Form 1 to Form 2 in a Windows Forms application, and then return back to Form 1 properly. This is a simple but very important concept when building WinForms applications, so let's get started. First, let's open Visual Studio. We'll click Create a New Project and then search for Windows Forms app. Once selected, click Next. For the project name, I'll use WinForm Routing. Choose any project location you like, then click Next. For the framework, we'll select .NET 10, just to keep up with the latest trends and updates. Then click Create. Now that the project is created, let's run it first. This is just to show you guys what we're starting with. As you can see, this is a blank Windows form. This will be our starting point. Let's stop the debugging, and now we'll begin coding. First, go to Form1.cs. If you don't see the toolbox, go to the View tab at the top, then click Toolbox. From the toolbox, double-click the button control to add it to the form. Let's rename the button text to Page 2 and change the button name to BTN Page 2. Next, let's add another form. Right-click on the solution, click Add, then select Form. We'll keep the default name Form2, then click Add. Inside Form2.cs, let's add a label first. This will help us identify that we're now on Form 2. Next, add another button. Change the button text to Return to Page 1 and rename the button to BTN Return. Now, let's go back to Form1.cs and start coding. We'll use dependency injection to route to Form 2 properly. When the user clicks the button, we'll hide Form 1 using this.hide. After that, we'll show Form 2 using the injected instance we created at the top. Inside Form2.cs, when the user clicks the Return button, we'll close Form2 using this .close. This is important to avoid unnecessary memory consumption, especially if the button in Form1 is clicked multiple times. Once Form2 is closed, we'll show Form1 again using this .show. Now let's run the application. As you can see, when we click the button in Form1, it redirects to Form2. And when we click the Return button in Form2, it closes and goes back to Form1. Everything works exactly as expected. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.